Hey guys, Vezio here and I'm back with another video, and as promised in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can install Windows 11 developers version on your computers. So I made a video explaining all the features and the new UI that Windows 11 has, and if you guys haven't watched it, make sure to first go and watch it, then come back to this video. It's in the I button right now. Okay, now before this video starts, let me make it really clear that this is a developer's build. It isn't a stable build as of yet. The stable build for Windows 11 is going to be released on 24th June. If you guys want me to create any videos, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. So this should work on every Windows, even if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, this method should work on your device. Just keep in mind, whatever drive that you're going to install this Windows on, everything will be completely wiped off. So move ahead with caution. And without further ado, let's get started with how to upgrade your Windows to Windows 11. So first of all, what you need to do is go on to the link given in the description. You'll see two links. One would be of Google Drive, from where you can download the file directly, and one will be of torrent, a magnet torrent link from where you can download the file using uTorrent. Also, if you want to know how you can increase your uTorrent speed, make sure to watch this video, which is on the I button right now. Once we're done with that and we've downloaded the ISO file, you need to go on to the second link in the description, which says Rufus. Go ahead and download the software which is called Rufus. Now, with both of these files downloaded, all you need to do is plug in your USB pen drive, and I would recommend that the minimum size of the pen drive must be 16 GB. So once you've plugged it in, go ahead and open Rufus up, give it the administrative rights. And select the correct USB drive from this device drop down. Now click on the select button right in front of the ISO file and select the Windows 11 ISO file that we just downloaded. Leave everything the same and wait for it to copy the ISO file into your USB drive and make it a bootable USB drive. Once we're done with that, we need to enter into boot menu of your desktop or laptop. You can search on Google how to do it for your specific manufacturer of the computer or the motherboard. But some common keys for accessing the boot menu while your system is booting up is Escape, F2, F10 and F12. In my case, pressing Escape button simultaneously worked, and the installation procedure should begin. Right now, go ahead and click on I don't have a product key and select whichever version of Windows that you want. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Now, you can go ahead and select the first option which says Install Windows and Keep Files Settings Application. Or you can go ahead and select the second option which says Install Windows Only. I chose the second option. I created disk partitions for this unallocated space that I had on my computer. Now the Windows 11 setup is going to show up, and here we are going to set up our Windows 11's settings. You can select the country you're from, select your keyboard language, whether it's for a personal use or school or work use. You can sign into your Microsoft account. Enter in the name of your PC. Toggle on or off any of the privacy settings that you might want. And there you go, Windows 11 has been installed on your computer. Just sit back and relax and leave it there for a while. And as you guys can see, we're on Windows 11 right now. And if I go on to my apps and open settings right now and show you guys the version of this Windows, as you can see, it says Edition, Windows 11 Pro, Developers version, and you can see the OS build and the date it was installed on.